Hey everyone, welcome back! Today, I'll guide you through setting up a secure and fast connection using the V2ray Tun VPN app with your own V2ray configuration. This step-by-step tutorial will help you enhance your online privacy and enjoy a safer browsing experience. Let's get started. First, open the Google Play Store, search for V2ray Tun VPN, and install the app. Once installed, open the app and you'll land on the home screen. To set up the app, you'll need a valid V2ray account. Head back to your phone's home screen and open any web browser, such as Chrome. In the browser, search for a reliable V2ray server provider like Fast SSH. From the search results, choose a link that takes you to the Fast SSH website. On the Fast SSH homepage, look for the V2ray servers option and tap on it. You'll see a list of available servers in various locations, such as the Netherlands. Select the server location you prefer and click Create V2ray account. Next, enter a unique username and complete the CAPTCHA verification to confirm you're not a robot. Then, tap Create account. Your V2ray account will be generated within seconds. After that, tap Copy to copy your account details. Return to the V2ray Tun VPN app and tap the plus button. From the list of options, select Import from Clipboard. Your V2ray account details will be automatically pasted into the app. You can customize your connection settings by tapping the Edit button on your configuration. Here, update the server address by entering a working server name indication, SNI, for your country. Once you're done, save your configuration. Go back to the app's home screen and tap the Connect button to establish a secure and optimized connection. And that's it. You're now connected via V2ray Tun VPN with enhanced privacy and security. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more useful content, and join our Telegram and WhatsApp communities. Links are in the description. Thanks for watching.